With the HBC System B1, you repair damage to hard plastic parts on the exterior and in the interior, also on structured surfaces. The first step: clean the surface to be repaired of grease and silicone residues. With Plast Cleaner, this is important for the next step, namely, to make a negative mold of the surface. To do this, apply a thin layer of the molding compound mold maker on an intact place and spread it with the metal palette knife. This molding technology does not leave any marks whatsoever and can be used everywhere. While the molding compound is drying, there is time to trim the damage to the plastic with a knife. Remove chips and roughness. This hole is firstly given a primer filling with B-Gel Clear. The B Activator spray enables that the gel hardens immediately. Repeat the procedure until the hole is filled. A tip: you can also close larger holes with an appropriate sealing material. Now place a layer of B-Gel Black so that the surface closes. Harden with activator spray. Now it's time to remove the negative molding. The mold maker compound is set. This form enables you to merge the repaired area with the surroundings. Fill in the surface layer finish B-Gel Black. Stretch the negative form around the cooling cushion and spray the B activator directly onto the molding. When you now press the mold onto the gel, it takes on the surface structure. Using the appropriate color, now blend the repaired area with the surroundings. You can find colors like this and numerous others in HBC Color System B3. It contains all the components which you require for the finishing. Also, the gloss adjuster additives for the right gloss.